Hello children, myself Saritha Shetty. Today we'll start second term portion of computer with chapter number 5, mouse and its functions. Introduction. A mouse is a handheld pointing device used to position a cursor on a computer screen. This allows a user to select items stored on a computer and subsequently perform actions on those items. A mouse usually has two buttons. Some older mouse has three buttons. Pressing these buttons is called clicking. Children, all of you know about mouse. What is mouse? Which device it is? Input device or output device? It is an input device. Why do we use mouse? We use mouse to point one particular icon or to draw images in paint. Now let us see how the mouse is working. Taking care of mouse. How to take care of mouse? The mouse should always be kept on a clean and soft mouse pad. Okay. Always hold the mouse properly. Use first two fingers for clicking left and right mouse buttons and rest of the fingers and thumb to hold it firmly. The mouse should be properly attached to the CPU. Functions of a mouse. Now let us see the functions of mouse. Pressing a mouse button is called clicking. There are three ways of clicking: left click, double click and right click. Now let us see about the left click. Press the left mouse button once and release it. You will hear a soft clicking sound. A single click is generally used to select something on the screen. Now let us see about double click. To double click, gently press the left mouse button twice very quickly. Double clicking is generally used to open computer files, folders, etc. Right click. When we press the right mouse button, it is called right click. This gives some more options to us by showing a list of commands on the screen. Now let us see drag and drop. To move an object from one place to another on a computer screen, we drag the mouse. This is done by the following examples. Single click. Single click on the item to be moved and keep the left mouse button pressed. Now drag the mouse while the left button is still pressed. Now release the mouse button. The selected item will appear at the new position. So this is what we have learned in this. We all know how to use mouse by now. Okay. Now let us see some of the summary. What is mouse? Mouse is a small pointing device used to draw pictures, play games on the computer. Pressing mouse button is called clicking. There are three ways to click a mouse: left click, right click and double click. Children, here I end my lesson. But remember to go through the textbook again and again. Thank you.